Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al. And if you were looking for more inspiration using the May 2025 SheetLoad of Cards, you're in the right place. I hope you'll stick around and watch the showcase. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope that by the end of this video, you'll be inspired to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for notifications. If you're already a subscriber and regular viewer, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here again. Each month, I like to stop by and share a look with you at what my team created using the newest SheetLoad of Cards. Now, you know, on the 2nd of the month, they each put out the video with their set, and I know many of you have already watched that, but in case you haven't, I like to compile them all here so you can see all of their takes on the latest sketch. After watching the showcase, I'm sure you'll want to check them out all a little more closely if you haven't already. So you can watch the playlist, which I have linked at the end of this video and in the description box below, and also down there is a link to each individual artist's channel in case you just want to go channel by channel to see what they've created. You know that each of them would love for you to stop by, see what they created, and leave them some love. Now, if you haven't yet downloaded the May 2025 SheetLoad of Cards, there is still time for subscribers to do that for free. Make sure to check out the debut video linked in the description box, and you'll also find the process video linked there, which is where I showed you how I made my first set this month. And speaking of my sets, I have a couple to share with you. In front of me are the new cards I've made this month using the new printable. On the left are the 8 that I made in that debut and process video, and over on the right are a trio that I created using the new quarterly release from Not Too Shabby, which, you guys, I think this might be the cutest one yet. Now, over on Instagram today, we're having a little hop to show off the release, and then tomorrow I will have a video showing you how I made this trio of cute Know Me cards. So I hope to see you back here tomorrow to see how these were made. Now, why don't we go ahead and take a look at what my team created this month. Before I start sharing the cards, I did want to remind you about this weekend's free virtual craft retreat from Not Too Shabby called Cottage Rose. There is still time to get signed up for this event, which features 7 instructors, including myself. I will be sharing an exclusive SheetLoad of cards for you. And if you check out my kind of invitation video, which I will have linked in the description box below, you can get more details and find out how to get signed up. Hope to see you there. Up first today is Chelsea of the Creative Chelsea channel, and she has made a set of teacher appreciation cards using the newest SheetLoad. I love all of the images she has for the focal points and those bright, fun colors. Danny of the Danny's Dreams YouTube channel created a set of 8 lovely thank you cards. These are for her daughter's upcoming wedding, and I'm so thrilled that SheetLoad can be a little part of it. Toby of the Bitty Penny YouTube channel used this month's SheetLoad to inspire a set of dragonfly cards. I like how she has used embossed cardstock in place of her skinny pattern paper strips. Make sure to check out her video to see all the ways she was inspired. Yvette of the Yvette Olea Creates channel also made some teacher appreciation cards this month. I love those fun papers and bright, bold focal points. Beck Ann of the Beck and Sam Crafting Fun channel used the May 2025 SheetLoad to get a jump start on her Christmas cards. I love how she is stamped on the cardstock of the sentiment and that fun bow. Letty of Party Planner Paperie created a set of 8 cards that would be perfect for lots of different occasions. I love those papers she has put together and how she has put sequins on the ends of those skinny strips. Ashley of the Mint Twist Cards YouTube channel has once again created a SheetLoad of SheetLoad cards. I love the variety she gets and how for her skinny strips, each of them is a different pattern. Beth of the Bourbon Creek Crafts YouTube channel showed us how we could use the May 2025 SheetLoad to make some cards that aren't always the first on our minds. Sympathy and Get Well Soon. I love those pattern papers she's paired together and how she switched up the focal point just a little bit. And last but certainly not least, and featured in this month's thumbnail, is a set of 8 birthday cards created by Carmen of the Choose Joy with Carmen YouTube channel. I love the monochromatic look of her cards and the little stitching detail around her focal rectangle. Wasn't that another amazing showcase? Each month I am always wowed by my team. If you agree, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and go check out their creations. And until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.